Florida residents still recovering from Hurricane Ian are asked to prepare for possible tropical system later this week. Florida officials are warning residents, including those recently hit by the destructive Hurricane Ian, that a tropical system could bring heavy rain and damaging winds this week. The warning comes as Subtropical Storm Nicole has formed in the southwest Atlantic about 555 miles east of northwestern Bahamas, according to the National Hurricane Center. The storm, now packing winds of 45 miles per hour with higher gusts, is expected to begin impacting Florida by Tuesday evening. Already, the U.S. territories of Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands are under a flash flood watch through Monday afternoon, and tropical storm watches are in effect for northwest Bahamas. As the system forms, it will possibly churn toward Florida and the southeast U.S. through early this week, according to CNN meteorologist Robert Shackelford. Regardless of development, heavy rainfall, coastal flooding, gale force winds and riptides will impact eastern Florida and the southeast U.S., Shackelford explained. Rainfalls in the Sunshine State could range between 2 and 4 inches, with isolated amounts possibly exceeding 6 inches, according to Shackelford. Areas south of Tampa, some of which are still in recovery mode following Hurricane Ian's landfall in late September, could be drenched with 2 to 4 inches of rain. Orlando is also at risk of seeing 1 to 2 inches of rain, while areas south of Jacksonville could be hit with 1 to 4 inches. Ahead of the storm, Florida Gov. Ron DeSantis urged residents Sunday to take precaution. "I encourage all Floridians to be prepared and make a plan in the event a storm impacts Florida," DeSantis said in a news release. "We will continue to monitor the path and trajectory of Invest 98L, and we remain in constant contact with all state and local government partners." DeSantis stressed that residents should prepare for an increased risk of coastal flooding, heavy winds, rain, rip currents and beach erosion. Wind gusts can be expected as soon as Tuesday of next week along Florida's east coast.